Guys, this is not a paid advertisement of any brand. We have ordered this chair and table for our daughter. We just wanted to unbox it so that if you find some points beneficial and useful, you can also purchase the same product. There are two packings. One is from Flipkart and one is from Newcomer brand.
See how excited she is.
We will be sanitizing the second box also. So, DIY chair and table for kids. Kids with age of 2 to 5 years band can be used for them.
Chiku, see teddy bear.
Different purposes like making them eat on these chair and table, making them study on these chair and table. Oh, wait. Yeah, Teddy is there. Who said? Nilkamal is itself a brand. Whosoever is watching would be aware about what Nilkamal is. They provide a lot of furniture, also wooden furniture, then plastic furniture as well.
Chiku, say.
There are two color options. One is green and yellow, and another one is blue and red. I don't know. They have sent a round color combination. We have ordered for green and yellow.
Okay. Move from here, beta. Move from here. किसके लिए है? आपके लिए? आप बैठोगे?
But you have to use this on a regular basis now.
Okay?
फिर ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप रो रहे हो.
Okay, बेटा? Say okay. Okay, पापा. All the parts of this table is inside this desk.
You will get these stickers
Wow.
also, from 1 to 10 and A to Z, along with the pictures on it.
So that we can stick it on the table.
Yeah.
Tabletop. Okay.
I'm just holding this. It's a DIY tool. DIY table chair. Can be assembled at your place easily. Two parts of the chair. I'm able to see how to use them. quality of these star-shaped boards are on a lower side, but yes,
Not so good, no?
yeah, they can improve this. Listen to me. Listen to me. You can eat your books. You can eat food on this. You can see your tab and phone on this, and you can keep all your stuff here in this desk, right? And what we will do, we will paste these stickers on top of this, right? Feedback about this chair and table is that. The quality is fine, not so great, not so bad also. We have bought this chair and table around 2000 rupees from Flipkart, and the quality is so-so, not so good. I thought of purchasing for this chair and table after checking lot of options on both Amazon and Flipkart, but I'm not so satisfied. But yes, at least when we have purchased this kind of chair and table for a kid, we would be utilizing it.
Let's start using it first, then we'll able to know how useful this is.
Now,